Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a very simple protective style, a ponytail braided wig, a drawstring ponytail braids. Yes. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, please make sure to join the family by subscribing. It is free. Please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You guys are the OGs, okay? So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is to prep your hair for the protective style. By prepping my hair, the first thing I did was to wash my hair and detangle. So if you've not seen the detangling video, I'm going to place it in the card somewhere here. Yes, and you could go check it out, how to detangle natural hair. So the first thing I did was to detangle my natural hair before I went to the salon. See, I cannot even braid my hair. I will not even lie. I can't braid my hair. So this braid, you see, I went to the salon to actually get it done, and I actually did that because I had to detangle my hair first, because where I was going to was not a natural hair salon, so I was not confident that they would be able to handle my hair very well. So I just decided that I would do it myself. I would just detangle my hair myself, prep it, and yes, I went to the salon to get this done. Okay, she is cute. Yes, I was inspired by Alicia Keys that used to do the zigzag then. Yes. After this, the next thing you want to do is to put your hair in a pony, because this is where we're going to be attaching the braided ponytail drawstring, the braided drawstring ponytail. Yes, this is where we're going to be attaching it. So I'll be using this drawstring braided ponytail I got from the Hairxecutive Empire on Instagram. Like, you guys, when I first saw this braid and I brought it out, I was really super happy with it, because it was full. Like, it is full. Like, it's really full, and it is soft and light. Like, it is soft. Like, I don't know how they did the braids or what they did to it, but it is really softer than when I make normal braids. Like, I don't know the way they braided it, but I mean, I love it. And yes, this is how the drawstring thingy looks like. I was hoping it will come with a comb, like those two combs at the ends or edges, but I didn't see that. Anyway, when I completed them, they apologized. It was a mistake from their end. However, the thing still stayed on my hair. This drawstring is really good, and it's able to stay secured. I'll just show you guys how I just wore this hair, and gosh, I love the ends, like the coily thingy going on at the ends. I just love it. Yeah, so after I drew the string, the next thing I did was to tie it round for extra security. And yes, I also took a part of the braids and used it to tie the base, yes, so that everything will just stay properly. I don't like stories that touch. I even went extra with a bobby pin to hold it in, but the second time I wore this hair, I didn't even necessarily need to use a bobby pin to hold it. It just stayed securely. And I'll show you the back. If you see the back, everything is full. Like, you won't even see, that it's a ponytail braided. You think it's my hair. I mean, don't you think it's part of the hairstyle? Yes, guys, this hair is amazing, and I love the length. Like, I love long hair normally, and they just gave me, see where it's reaching. You guys, I don't know what to say, but I just love this hair. Yes, so this is going to be my protective style for the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks thereabouts. And
Yes, so make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'll be showing you how to style this hair.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, please do make sure you subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It's free and it will only support me and help my channel, so please do make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.